We're here at this great home at Stone Ledge, and it was finished off by a backyard designer who pretty much has covered everything to fit in your toys and let you have a lot of fun. RV gate on the side, parking for 3 cars out front, parking for 3 cars in the garage. It's got a tandem back there. They've loaded it up because they've got a second business going, so they keep all the supplies back there with 2 cars pulled in the garage. And great stone inlay on the front and entrance over here. Inside it's fabulous, and the backyard is even better. As we walk in the front door, it's easy to see how open the house is. It's 2-story, so there's a front hall closet here, stairwell right there going upstairs. Nice big open dining area, sectioned off from the great room family area, but still open and looking towards the backyard. And the backyard's magnificent. We'll look at that later. There's the kitchen, kind of a den, office, whatever bonus room you want right behind the kitchen. And powder room right here off the garage entrance. Looking back at the entry, we can see the staircase going upstairs. Big dining area. Could have an even bigger table than that. This is really comfortable, but you could probably seat 12 people in that room. Lots of seating in here. They've got 4 stools under this large kitchen island. You can see the extended cabinetry in the kitchen, appliances, pantry closet, and the flooring. It's a great porcelain wood look tile, very tasteful, looks very natural. And they've set this up as a bar area off the kitchen because they like to entertain. And that theme goes inside and out. This could be a den, it could be an office. Plantation shutters too on every single window. And out back, a backyard oasis. It's fabulous. Let's go upstairs. So walking upstairs, we're going to come into a great loft area that gives you another gathering place or a getaway place. And it gives a little separation to the bedrooms too. You can see how big the upstairs loft area is. Once again, all the windows are fully covered with plantation shutters. Lots of light in here, lots of room. And we can see how we branch off into the 2 different bedroom areas. Looking back towards the stairwell from the loft, we see the entry to the master. It's a nice big room. With a great bathroom. Lots of space in here. Tile continues, fun tile through the very large glassed-in shower. Great soaking tub tucked into the corner. Nice sized closet. Lots of storage capacity in that closet. And as I said, lots of space in this bathroom. It's a great master suite. And then walking into the other bedroom wing, we see a great upstairs laundry room. Tile floors, plenty of cabinets. Really nice shared bath here, very tasteful. Once again, tile floor, fun tile in the shower, big double sink vanity, and 3 bedrooms back here. So, all about the same size. There's one next door they're using as an office. It's got a big walk-in closet in the corner. And more hall storage. And the last bedroom over here. Stepping outside, we come into a fantastic backyard. We look down at the pavers. Just beautiful stone pavers. Covered area right by the house for dining, lounging, relaxing. You can see the built-up planters around the side. couple of different patios to sit on. Great view to the west from this raised patio above the pool. The pool's beautiful. You can see the scuppers and the fire pits and this huge Baja layout shelf. And then over on the side, we've got this beautiful covered outside bar lounge area. Great stools all the way around. Fabulous big barbecue. Got a chiller prep station. Plenty of drawers, fridge, and it even comes with a smoker. And looking around the side of the house, we can see the parking storage area right here off the RV gate. Some beautiful choices in trees. Once again, it's a really fantastic backyard. The mature landscaping on this 2-year-old house is just fantastic. I wanted you to see the lighting, the furnishings, this fire pit table, and just all the features of the pool. It is really, really neat out here for relaxing. And this magnificent backyard comes with all the furnishings and borders fabulous open space. What a great spot.